guys, wasn't planning on making a video today, but I look at my channel, I have 121 subscribers. But after this video, I'll probably lose it, so yay! But I was making a burp video. Oh, I stayed that way on. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. And peace.